In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a plain text email in ActiveCampaign. This is really useful if you prefer simple, clean emails without heavy design, but still want your subscribers to be able to click through to a website, a landing page, or any other URL. First, go ahead and log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that to open up your campaign management area. This is where you can see all of your existing campaigns and also create new ones. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that lets you create a campaign. Click that button to start setting up a new email. ActiveCampaign will now ask you what kind of campaign you want to create. You'll see a few different options, but for this walkthrough, choose plain text as your campaign type. Selecting plain text tells ActiveCampaign that you don't want any fancy layouts or visual builders, just straightforward text. After choosing plain text, you'll be guided through the normal campaign setup, and you'll eventually arrive at the design step in the navigation. Click on Design to open the plain text editor. This is where you'll write your email content. To add a link in a plain text email, you don't need any special formatting tools. Simply type or paste the full URL directly into the body of your email. For example, you might write something like, "You can learn more here, https:/example.com. Make sure to include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, because many email clients look for that format in order to turn it into a clickable link automatically. You can add as many links as you need just by typing or pasting each URL where it makes sense in your message. It's a good idea to keep the surrounding text clear and simple so subscribers know exactly what they're clicking on. If possible, keep your URLs short and tidy, or use a branded link that looks trustworthy. Once you're happy with your email content and the links you've added, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the Next button. This saves your design and moves you forward in the campaign setup process, where you can review your settings, choose your list, and schedule or send your email. And that's all it takes to add a link to a plain text email in ActiveCampaign.